Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can design a free logo using ChatGPT. So let me go here chatgpt.com, and here you can see a free AI platform that you can easily use. And if you want to use more advanced features, then you can upgrade your plan. So if you want to generate a free logo for your business, just you can type here generate a new modern logo for my business, enable website design. And here you can see it's generating logo. Scroll down. So guys, here you can see logo is generated, and now you can easily download from here. Here you can see save, and then logo is saved in PNG format. In this way, you can easily create a free logo using ChatGPT AI platform. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.